Hello everyone. Welcome to our English learning video. Today, Arav and I will talk about something very special. Humans.
Yes, humans. Who we are, why we feel, why we care, and how we grow. This is a slow and simple conversation, so you can listen, learn, and understand easily.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy this conversation with us.
Sometimes I think, what makes us human?
I think humans are special because we feel so many emotions. Happiness, sadness, fear, love, everything.
Yes, we laugh, we cry, we hope, we dream. Even a small thing can touch our hearts.
And we care about each other. Humans want connection. Even when we say, "I'm fine," we actually want someone to ask, "Are you really okay?"
Emotions are beautiful, but also complicated.
Exactly. Sometimes humans feel happy for no reason. Sometimes we feel sad even when nothing is wrong.
And that's okay. Feeling emotions is not weakness. It means we are alive.
Yes, and emotions help us understand ourselves better.
Humans make mistakes every day.
True, but mistakes are not bad. They are lessons in disguise.
I agree. When humans make mistakes, they feel guilty, but they also grow wiser.
And the important thing is to forgive ourselves, because no human is perfect. Not me, not you, no one.
I think kindness is the most beautiful part of being human.
Yes, a small act of kindness can change someone's whole day.
Like a smile, a simple thank you, or helping someone who is lonely.
Humans forget sometimes, but kindness always comes back to us.
Fear is also a big part of human life.
Yes, humans fear losing people, failing, or being judged.
But fear doesn't make us weak. It makes us brave, because we face it.
Right. Courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is moving forward even when we are scared.
Humans dream about a better life.
Yes, dreams give us hope. Even when life is hard, dreams keep us going.
Some dreams are small. Some dreams are big, but all dreams are important.
And humans feel proud when they achieve something, even small things.
Humans need relationships, family, friends, partners.
True, a single caring person can make us feel safe.
And when someone listens to us, humans feel valued.
Yes, sometimes humans don't need solutions, they just need someone to say, "I am here for you."
Humans change over time.
Change is part of life. Sometimes change hurts, but it also helps us grow.
Humans learn from heartbreak, from failure, from loss.
And also from love, joy, and success.
Even when life feels dark, humans still hope.
Yes, hope is like a small light inside us. It never fully disappears.
We hope for better days. We hope for peace. We hope for happiness.
And hope gives humans the strength to continue.
What do you think humans need the most?
I think humans need understanding, to feel seen, to feel heard.
Yes, humans want to feel loved.
And they want to belong somewhere, a place where they can be themselves.
Humans need kindness, respect, and patience.
And time. Humans need time to heal.
I think humans are beautiful because they keep trying.
Yes, even after pain, humans stand up again.
Even after heartbreak, they still love.
Even after failures, they still dream.
Humans are fragile, but strong, soft, but brave.
That's what makes humans wonderful.
Today we talked about humans, their emotions, dreams, fears, and beauty.
And we hope this conversation helped you learn simple English, and also understand humans a little more deeply.
Remember, you are human, you are learning, you are growing.
And you are doing your best, and that is enough. Arab, do you know something interesting? Humans hold memories like small treasures.
Yes, some memories make us smile, and some memories make our eyes wet.
But all memories are important. They remind us who we are.
True. A small childhood moment, a person we met years ago, a place we once visited. These memories stay inside humans forever.
And sometimes, when life feels heavy, a good memory gives humans the strength to keep going.
Forgiveness is also a big part of human life.
Yes, humans say strong words when they are hurt, but later they feel sorry.
That's why forgiveness is beautiful. It brings peace to the heart.
Humans are not perfect. They make mistakes. They speak without thinking. They act without understanding.
But when we forgive, we give both ourselves and others a new start.
Patience is something humans really need.
Yes, but patience is difficult. Humans want things fast. Success, happiness, answers.
But good things take time. Humans need to wait, grow, and learn slowly.
Just like learning English, step by step, word by word, day by day.
And one day, humans look back and say, I have grown so much.
Humans often forget that they are a part of nature.
Yes, nature heals the human heart. The sound of rain, the smell of fresh air, the sight of a sunset.
These small things calm humans. They remind us to slow down.
Nature teaches humans that everything changes, but everything also finds balance again.
And I think humans are always searching for meaning.
Yes, humans want to know why they are here, and what their purpose is.
Some humans find meaning in work. Some find it in art. Some find it in helping others.
And some find meaning in love.
Humans are always learning, always wondering, always trying to find their place in the world.
And that journey itself is beautiful.
So this was a deeper look into humans, their hearts, their memories, their dreams, and their journey.
Thank you for spending this extra time with us.
We hope this helped you learn English, and also understand yourself a little better.
Take care, stay kind, and keep learning.
Thank you.